Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick guide I will show you exactly how to link your Ubisoft account to your Xbox account, and it will be a step-by-step guideline. This makes it super easy to sync your games and rewards. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to be open your Ubisoft in your browser, and then you just need to be sign in at the top right and log into your Ubisoft account. So once you're done, once you are signed in, you just need to click to the profile icon here. Actually, you can see you just need to click over here and then select account management or account informations. Once you did, this will open your account management page. So here you just need to log in here. Let's log into this account and just click to the login. Once I click over here, okay, no problem. Login. Okay, the password is incorrect, so unlock one password. Let's click. So I just need to log into this account. As you can see, we already have this Ubisoft account. So once you're done, then you just need to find linked account option on the left side, account information. I'll look for linked account. So once you come over here, you just need to find it out your linked account option. So here you can see this is the linked account option. So from that place here, you will see all platforms you can connect, like Twitch, Discord, Facebook, Xbox, and many more PlayStations and YouTube also. So now you just need to link your Xbox. Find the Xbox section and click link. A pop-up will appear like this way. Just click over here link and the pop-up will become over that place, and you just need to log into your Xbox Microsoft account credentials, grant the permissions needed, and you are done. Now your Ubisoft and Xbox account are linked. This means you can enjoy cross progressions, Ubisoft Connect rewards, and more. And that's it. That's how you link your Ubisoft account to your Xbox account in 2025. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop any questions if you have the questions. Thanks for watching.